we've all run into the compression wheel that is rusted on, that this was sprayed with PB Blaster a week ago. That compression wheel isn't moving, okay? And we've all done the things of remove the collar, get the circuit board out of the way, beat the motor back and forth. We've all been to the point where we've actually had to pull them out and come through the gas line hole with a punch and beat them out of there. So I'm going to start making this tool to make it so that we don't have to do this game. And quick and simple. I can look for this tool online. I don't see it anywhere. Now the set screw is completely removed from this. There's no set screw in there. Okay, it's completely removed. Put this on here, and I'm going to do the best I can to video this and make this legible. So what I did was, we got 2 set screws on this, and I used the same size Allen wrench as what the set screw is from the factory to tighten onto the collar. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a minute. Alright, so I didn't hit the stop button, but anyway, so we're on there with the set screws, using 1/4 inch threaded to fit in there. The hole, it will be bigger on the next one, so that you can see, just to make sure that it's making contact with the shaft a little bit easier, and know that you're square with the shaft. So let's give this a shot and see if we can get this to pull. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Alright, this is hard to do. I got it to start moving, so let's see if I can hold on to this. Maybe if I drop the, I'll put the T-wrench in here. I was holding the compression wheel before. As you can see, she's coming right on out. And she should come off of here now, I would believe. Yeah, so where I stopped it, it was just that I had my Allen wrench blocking it. Wiggled it a little bit, she came right out, off. Takes 2 minutes maybe at the most to go ahead and pull a compression wheel on an Atwood with this tool. They will only be a prototype, so they're not going to be a beautiful looking tool. Let me see if I can get some shade on it somewhere. So they're not going to be beautiful, but they will be functional, and they will be available for $80 a piece. The screws, the set screws to hold it onto the collar, are the exact same size as the set screw for the compression wheel, so you can use your T-handle, not have to swap tools around. This is an 11 millimeter or 7/16 inch head, and this is, like I said, a prototype. I'm going to cut it down a little bit more so that there's a little more room in there to work with, so if you order one, it will be shorter. Again, $80, and saves you hours of anger, frustration.